nobody's talking about loudly enough. They didn't just wound some American soldiers. Images show it split open. Analysts say it's gone for good. 2K C-135 aerial tankers, the planes that keep fighter jets at Sultan Air Base, Saudi Arabia. Iranian ballistic tail number 81-00 by the 552nd Air Control Wing out of Tinker Air Force Base, C-135 aerial tankers. The planes that keep fighter jets flying were also destroyed. This wasn't random. This was a precision hit on America's nervous system.